Boa noite.
Tudo bom?
Tudo, e você?
Tudo bem.
Esse é backyard
Sim.
barbecue? Ok. Obrigada. Just vai? Oh, tá.
Speak English?
English.
Okay. The party's downstairs.
Okay.
But after like 7, we have a party here too.
Okay, what party is it?
It's like a dance party.
Electronica? What are you?
Definiria o som
Sons dos anos 2000. De Brasil 70.
Old school.
2000 indie Brazilian music. We open like Wednesday, Thursday until Saturday.
Oh, okay.
And every day is a different thing. One day is like a punk rock show, the other day is house, vinyl. We have food, we have live music, DJs. So you have Brazilian music, you have like hip hop, you have indie, you have punk rock. It's like all over.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's popular, or no? Because it's underground.
Maybe not popular to but it's really big, like underground.
Ok. Tá bom. De onde você é?
From here, Sao Paulo.
Você é paulista?
Sim, downtown.
Ah, okay. So what's your favorite spot to go to downtown Sao Paulo to eat?
To eat?
What's your favorite spot?
E aí, Gila? Suave? I'm gonna say one place is so if you wanna eat like Brazilian food, you just go there.
Okay.
And the food is ready in 1 minute.
And you'll see other locals there?
Yeah, for sure.
Ah, okay.
Like people from like musicians, skateboarders, people who come to Brazil. I mean, the cool ones. They go to eat like real downtown.
Exatamente. Ah, okay. So for food. All right. And what's your spot to get drinks?
Downtown?
Yeah, do downtown, then we'll do up here.
There is a bar right now that is like really popular, and it's really popular. You go there, there is like 500 people drinking
Tourists?
on the street.
No tourists. Okay, I don't want tourists. No tourists.
No tourists.
Okay.
No.
All right, como se chama?
Ricardo.
Ricardo, muito prazer.
What's your name?
Chinua.
Chino. Nice to meet you.
Prazer. Yeah.
Como é que tá?
Bom dia. Boa tarde.
Boa noite.
Boa noite. Boa noite. Okay.
For sure.
Okay.
Yeah, you have inside a lot of different
Subcultures.
exactly. So yeah.
Interessante. Okay. What do you do? What's your thing?
I build guitars. I'm a luthier.
You build guitars. You're what?
Yeah, I'm a luthier. Luthier is a person that like construct, build, or fix instruments like guitars, basses, acoustic guitars. So I build guitars and I have like a little office
Okay.
that I how can I say? I know a lot of people that like playing bands because I've been playing bands my whole life. So I fix everybody's guitars.
You're the fixer.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called luthier.
I never heard of it. How do you spell it?
I have a business card
You ready? Pronto.
ready to go.
What are you reading?
It's Lígia Fagundes Teles. She's a Brazilian female writer. This is my business card.
Yeah.
So this is Don is my nickname, okay? Everybody calls me Don. Don Luthier.
Luthier, okay. How did you get
This is
into?
for you.
Oh, obrigada.
Don't worry.
Ricardo. So how'd you get the nickname Dom?
In school, my name is Ricardo, and my voice got real low. Okay? And everybody was imitating me, like, hello Ricardo, hey Ricardo, oh Ricardon, Ricardon, Don, and became Don. So it's like, it came from that. Nowadays I just say like, my name is Don, sometimes it's easy.
How did you get into fixing the guitars? Were your parents artists?
No, anybody.
Nobody in your family?
No, I mean, my mom, she's into architecture, and my father's engineer, like houses and stuff. So I think I'm already a builder itself, and I love music, so it was like the perfect match. How can I work with hand job?
Work with your hands.
Yeah. I don't like to work with people. I prefer to work with wood, things, material. You know?
You still like it?
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
That is well, congratulations. You do this on the side?
Yeah.
So you work a lot. Where's your favorite place to take vacation in Brazil?
Favorite place? I mean, any beach near Sao Paulo. We have this place called Litoral Norte, which is like North Shore of Sao Paulo. Beautiful beaches. I mean, you don't have to go to like Bahia and stuff, which is amazing, but you can enjoy amazing beaches like 3 hours driving.
Oh, that's not bad. Is it farther than Paraty?
Yeah, Paraty is like 5 hours driving. Those beaches are like on the way to Paraty. It's between Sao Paulo and Paraty.
Sério?
So
okay.
you have amazing beaches there.
I've been to Paraty. I didn't know that. Okay, so you don't have to go all the way there to Natal.
I mean, it's a different world. Don't get me wrong. The beaches here are pretty, but Bahia and those places are like amazing. It's nothing like this. Anything like this. Yeah.
You ever lived outside of Brazil?
Never. But my sister, she lives outside Brazil like for 20 years or so. So I visited her a couple times outside.
Aonde?
Australia.
Oh, she lives in Australia.
She lived like 7 years there, but a long time ago. And she lived in New York, California, and now she lives in Texas.
Ugh, okay.
She lives in Austin, which is like a more cool city, music city. But she went there because of a job. But I don't know how much she's gonna stay there. But she's there for like 4 years now.
Oh, she's been there for a minute. Okay. Ricardo, muito prazer. Eu volto. Let me see what's going on downstairs.
Appreciate it.
Yes.
That's
Muito
so
obrigada para todo informações. Eu falo correto?
Yeah, so em português tá ótimo.
Não, hold on. Você precisa me ajuda para Never mind. I was gonna try to say you help me practice my português.
Practice. Ok. A gente pode conversar em português também.
Como você aprendeu inglês?
When I was 12 years old, maybe, my mom, I studied English for like 1 year.
Aqui?
Yeah, in Brazil.
Oh.
And I had some English classes in my school. But to be honest, like, I listened to so much music and I watched so much movies. I love cinema, movies, that I've been hearing English people saying like for a lot of years. So I enjoy it. And I have what's the name in English? My sister has a daughter
Sua sobrinha?
Yeah, minha sobrinha, she's Texana. So we only speak in English.
Ah, okay.
And her husband is English from London. So they are married like for 13 years. So I've been speaking a lot of English with my family.
You get to practice. Interessante. I was gonna ask you something. Shoot, I can't remember. What do you like to do for fun here in Sao Paulo? Like, what's your go-to to have fun? How you like to relaxa or?
I like to ride a bicycle a lot. Like sometimes far. I like to skateboard when I had like good knees. I have a band, so it's like a therapy to rehearse and stuff.
What's your band called?
Gazwa.
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 Como escreve?
Gazua.
What it?
Boa noite.
Boa noite, tudo bom? É do Encontrão? Isso. Você vai tocar? Não, isso aqui é do fotografia. Só botar um som em você.
Oiê!
Oi, tudo bem?
Tudo bom?
Tudo. E você?
Tudo bem?
Você é artista? Com banda?
Oi?
Or com banda? You're playing tonight?
No.
Ah, okay.
I'm just working.
Uh-oh.
I'm at the bar taking.
Not just working. You're here living.
Where from?
Nova York.
Oh.
Como você chama?
Carol.
Carol. Muito prazer. Sou Chinwe.
Chima?
Chinwe.
Chinwe.
Isso. Correto. Sim. E você? Like this shaggy, fairy cut. Yes.